I need to do something about the sunburns on my back. Wasn't really visible, but we were just crossing the famous bridge here in Lisbon, Ponte de Avril, which is quite similar to the famous Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. So if you're like a bridge fan like me, then you probably will like it. On the right back I will try to sit somewhere in the front so that you can properly see it. Anyway, now we're headed towards the Cristo Rei statue, and yeah, let's check it out. As you can see, we're getting closer, quite uphill, which kind of makes sense. So in the meantime, let me explain how to get there, because it's actually not in Lisbon, it's across the river. You can either take bus from Marquês de Pombal, number 753, and then you go across the bridge and you get out on the first stop. It's called Portagem, and yeah, basically then you walk like 500 meters and there you are, Cristo Rei. Let's check it closer. The statue is right behind me. Yeah, it's really hard to describe the scope of the thing. Just take a look. It's really high above me. We'll try to get a bit further so that I can take a proper look at it. Anyway, on the other side, there you have a nice view of Lisbon along with the Great Bridge. So let's check that out either. Also, really great because it provides you probably one of the most interesting views of Lisbon across the river. You can see basically all at once, which is impossible from the other side. On the other hand, it's smaller, so without the proper zoom, it's like impossible to see it. But still looks really nice, and I just love the bridge. It's like my second most favorite bridge in the world, so I had to come here. By the way, the Jesus behind me, the statue was created reminiscent the famous Jesus Mirador from Rio de Janeiro. It was built like at the beginning of the 20th century, and it still remains one of the most visited places here in Lisbon. Although when you take into consideration its distance from the city center, it's definitely one of the least favorite of the main landmarks. But on the other hand, you can actually see it from all around Lisbon because it's really high above me and quite interesting. Kind of like this place. So let's enjoy some more views and have them. Like I said, there are two ways to get to Cristo. One of them is the bus that I took to get there, and the other one is ferry. So now I have a 3-kilometer walk towards the ferry terminal, and I will cross the river from Cacilhas to Cais de Sodré, which is like the most famous ferry line in Lisbon. While we are walking, let's take a look at these two things. Now, if you want to travel on the public transportation in Lisbon and the surrounding urban area, you will need one of these. Now, they're basically the same, except that the green one is working even outside Lisbon on the trains and in the city of Almada. There are like 3 modes that you can use it for. It's rather complicated. It took me a long time before I figured it out, and I still don't think I get it 100%. Anyway, you have a chance to either upload there your single tickets, which then you can use for like 90 minutes, and you can exchange between metro and bus and tram and stuff. Or you have a chance to use the full day ticket for like €7, and you can use it all throughout the area. Or you can use the so-called zapping, which means that you will upload there or top it up with some money, and these you can then use for every trip that you take. It will take down, or it will take some money from it. Usually like €1 and something for one trip. So you cannot use all 3 modes at once. So yeah, you need to pick. Well, there is like this little street full of seafood restaurants, and the prices are much more affordable than in Lisbon. So in case you're around, this could be a place for you to have your dinner or lunch. Could be. So as it turns out, this is also valid for us. It's like 1:15, and our boat is departing in 5 minutes. So let's go. I hope I'm sitting on the side with the best view. Let's see. So we're back in Lisbon. Now I'm headed back to the hotel because I need to do something about the sunburns on my back and on my shoulders. It hurts like hell. Let's go. So I got some rest, changed my t-shirt, and I put some cream on my back. Now it's much better, although now I see that my nose is also kind of burnt. Before we head out for beer to the Bairro Alto, which is like this pub quarter of the city. So we found this place where you can get beer for like €1.50, which is a great deal for Western Europe at least. So yeah, and I kind of like it here. And I can even got this car where you have like 4 large beers, you have 1 free. So challenge accepted. Let's enjoy the last day in Lisbon. Cheers. So I got it to 5 stars on the customer card, which is like 2 big beers and 1 small. It's not. Oh. It's enough. Anyway, I didn't get a free one, so unlucky me. Let's go to the hotel and let's go to sleep. Anyway, yeah, tomorrow is our last day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.